Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Panera. There's Panera down there, the main junction, and look at these massive pipes. What's going on, guys? Let's go onto the pavement. Look, there's roadworks going on. Lots of JCBs and lorries. Here we are. Wow, massive pipes. Now Nick's bottle shop is down here, guys, and if you go on his website it gives you instructions of how to get to Nick's bottle shop round the back, because the whole road is shut off. There it is. And so we're going to have a little stroll, see what is actually going on. The big pipes are just sitting on the road at the moment. They haven't dug up the road. Look at that. There's a little bit of road dug up there. I'm not sure how they're going to put these pipes in. What do you think? Guys, I've been told they've only started today, so they'll probably be digging up the road to put these massive pipes in. Wow. We'll come back later on in the year, see what's going on. So there we are, we've got some roadworks and the road closed outside Nick's bottle shop and beyond. It will be closed apparently for a couple of months. And as I say, guys, you can always look up Nick's bottle shop's Facebook page and it'll tell you how to get into the shop. Well, it's lovely and quiet here. I've started to dig up the road just there. They only just started today. Run some new drains down here, maybe new pavements, you never know. Over there we could do with some new pavement. Here we've got this amazing bike track that'll take you up to Protaras or Cyprus the other way. See, the DIY shop's still open, so there's ways and means of getting down here. And in fact, I've just seen someone come out of Nick's bottle shop and he's gone straight ahead. The plants have been trimmed down. The plants are not going, that's nice. Always like plants. Oh, fig trees over there, they've been trimmed. There's the Mandalina Hotel Apartments. Oh, love the lovely gardens here, guys. Especially that amazing plant on either side of the entrance. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I could smell jasmine as well. They've got some lovely gardens in there. Yeah, can you see the gardens? Yeah, and the main reception area. It is nice. I think it's pine trees actually that I could smell. Yes, it is. Lovely. Let's just go up on the hicklety-picklety pavement and then we'll cross the magic carpet and over towards Nick's bottle shop. Okay, off we go. Oh, I don't know what this car was doing there. Must have got lost. Right, so we've crossed the road. I don't know what that car was doing down here, guys. Must have got lost. Here it is. Nick's Bottle Shop. So let's go into Nick's Bottle Shop, shall we? Get some more information about the Roadworks and how to get here. There we are, the best exchange rate on the island, guys. No commission if you want to change your money. Now, we have done several videos. Nick's Bottle Shop, definitely a bargain basement. So there's Nick's Bottle Shop, guys. I've just had a word with Nick. He's not too sure how long the roadworks are going to be going on for and whether they'll be closing the road every day. But he has ordered some signs, and you can get to Nick's Bottle Shop from round the back, guys. So look out for the signs, the diversion signs for Nick's Bottle Shop. We head back down here, down to the car. Oh, didn't notice those lovely houses. Look at those lovely houses set back there. Notice some different things when you're doing a unusual walk. Underneath the pine trees. These are nice flowers. These ones here. There we are. Really easy to grow these bushes, guys. You've got a garden out here. Right, let's cross the road. Let me take this opportunity to thank David for the super thanks. Here we are. So the bike lane, guys, that direction on that side, and going towards Protaras on this side. There we are. No pedestrians, so get off. Let's get off. There we are. So that's the bike lane. The bike lane's still open. Right, Ronnie, we're on the footpath. It's a bit naughty, isn't it, going on the bike lane? So we are on the footpath now. Hello. So footpath and a bike path still open, guys. Main road is shut due to massive pipes going in, the massive thick pipes. Check out Nick's Bottle Shop Facebook page and you can find your way into Nick's Bottle Shop. And he has ordered signs that he'll be putting up around the area. Look at those pine trees. Beautiful canopy. Look at that, perfect. Perfectly round. Oh, didn't notice this before. Little car park area. There's the field. Look, see the field? We've got all sorts of things growing in there. And then this, guys, is the water reservoir for the field. And quite a lot of people keep koi carp in these. Oh, so is he, look. There they are. You see it? There's one there. It's not very clear. But yeah, I can only see one at the moment. There we are, we've got the JCB down here. Looks like they're welding the pipes together. Yeah, that one's welded and that one's waiting to be welded. So I think they're going to weld up the pipes, dig the hole and plonk them in. That's my theory anyway, guys. Let's go down these steps, shall we? Oh, some more koi carp and different fish in here. Look, there we are. Oh, there are loads. There we are. That's after the bread. Oh, very nice. There you go. Right, let's make our way down to the car. Well, that was very interesting, guys. We've only bumped into it as we were driving from Protaras, doing a couple of videos. We saw this Roadworks and we thought, you know what, let's go and have a look around. Make sure you can get into Nick's bottle shop, see what's going on. I hope you enjoyed this little detour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.